Watch. Well, it's not a plan. Yo, watch what I'm going. Carefully. A franchise closing, man. 10-star general. You don't know when I represent, you know I'm full effective. You know it go already? When I load up. Here, man. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing there. You know a loud explosion going. Watch me, man. The people's champion. Oh, you mean? A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Yo, watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. First and foremost, what I say, blessed respect to blessed be Gaza Diva. Yo, I love her straight. I don't know gimmicks in my game. Right now, I love her intensity where she bring. I love her chrome skin where she have. You see me? And I love the diva where she have in her passion where she push out for Gaza Nation. You see what I say? No gimmicks not in it. You see what I deal with? So when I talk Gaza Diva and make sure know 10-star door want in her heart, I want in her soul. So she stay by my side and not leave me alone. Watch. And on a lollipop thing, you know. You hear that? You see what I deal with? Just watch the intensity when I bring. Watch. So right now, you know, what I say, the whole of the rhythm when Moonwalker drop one, everything shot. Right now, data take over the whole internet. You see what I say? The man them could have turned the thing in an album. No gimmicks thing not there about it. You see what I deal with? Right now, Siva song shot, everything on the album shot. You see what I say? Everything on the rhythm shot, should say. Right, so right about now, you have to say the whole rhythm shot. I don't even know gimmicks thing. You see what I deal with? And the man them have all the visual for go with it. You see what I deal with? What a nice treat to dance all in Gaza Nation. How go we can do that? What a nice treat for dance all. For all the people them were locked in and restricted. You see what I deal with? By hours. What a nice treat for them, man. You can sit in and watch the thing. No gimmicks not in it. Eh? You can sit in and enjoy some nice visual, some nice song. Eh? From some real artists. No gimmicks not in it. And see some local man around and I talk about, oh, yo, then start down, bring down the local youth, them, you know, way. Oh, so, what I say? What I really I say? Eh? A 10-star and vybz kartel must rate the youth, them, and way. What kind of argument me so you have up? vybz kartel hate any youth. No man boss young youth in a dancer like vybz kartel. What not talk about? And some gimmicks thing we not talk about and I get the thing twisted, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, remember, you know, Una say, you know, intense and high water, them a vendetta now, you know. So launch out, you know. Let me tell you something, you know. Two things can happen. You know what I mean? We don't have to dead if you see it. If I not Alkaline boots them and send them out, that means a loyalty them want to show him. You know what I mean? And at the same time, the way it look like him send them out, because he might tell them say the other way there you can get the big exposure. But the only thing happen where fuck them up. Gaza Nation now Vybz Kartel no look on them. So them not get the buzz. You know what I mean? So them try and fail. But I'm saying, if you say you're vendetta, this is where I did because I'm going to show no own stupid, you know, because of them look at things they don't like, run down and feel like you can come hold up argument with certain blogger and them shit. This is not the type of a man who run up on them channel and ask certain shit, you know. Because you have to know, you know, you're supposed to happy, you know. You don't have a man like me all represent on the internet, you know, with the living facts and the living truth, you know. I'm asking you something. What? Some man can't take the truth. People don't like the truth. Yo, real people I represent for. You see what I deal with? So when I represent another form of gimmick stick, yo, me tell you something, man. If you say you have vendetta, my brother, and you want to rise in a dancehall music as a young artist, and you say you go against big Alkaline as Uno claim, why Uno never make Alkaline do a collaboration with Uno? You know what I mean? Why Uno and Alkaline never come together and do a nice collaboration for dancehall? We can push Uno career and propel Uno career. Why him never do that? Eh? You know why? Because he might listen to me. He might watch my thing. Him see the intensity where I bring. Because I make sure make him know any youth, him do not, any youth will have name. Him do no song with in a dance hall. Make me tell you this, him fans them gone. Any youth where him do not no song with in a dance hall, him fans them gone, my brother. Because him do not song with Intense. Intense are going to take away him fans them. May I tell you that? Because at that him do Movado. Movado do song with him and roll with him and him take away Movado fans them. You know what I mean? Yeah. In a intrigue way, in a smart way. Enough of you going to say, no, him not take away Movado fans them and way. What you mean him not take away Movado fans? Eh? If him are the hype artist and him the whole of the fans them are go with now and them shit there. What you mean him not take away Movado fans? What not talk about? Eh? What not talk about? You ever see him come out on the internet and nowhere at all and say big up the Gully God anywhere him there because of the Gully God is a man where bring me out and give me the confidence certain way. All when people are beat me for body wash or the Gully God stand up with me and fight with me that I coulda hold my gungs in a dance hall and them shit there. You ever hear him come out nowhere at all and say that? Eh? You ever hear him big up the Gully God like how you hear Popcorn big up Vybz Kartel anywhere him go? And more while for an interview always I tell the people that my Vybz Kartel bring him to the world. Eh? My father never bring him to the world, but my father not defend him career. You know what I mean? You ever hear him go out and not big up the man yet? You know me that big up my father like that. The fans them would have stick with my father said way. You think man I hear that? Me tell you no, me not any type of blogger, you know. Me a certain kind of blogger. Me a revolution blogger. And I no joke shit. But revolution is shit me deal with for Gaza. On YouTube, international business. And a gimmicks thing me deal with. You know what I mean? So when you don't want to talk, you make sure you know who and who not talk to. You see what I deal with? And me run 10 Star TV. You hear that? And me are the star on it. And who not say? Who you watch? Understand what you do, man. You think me see no shakiness in my game? You see me afraid for talk? Me not tell you no fuckery. I say, you know, the man did go around and I said, big up the Gully God. And them things, they anywhere at all. And then give the man the respect where him forget. The fans them would have stay with him and no gimmicks nothing in it. I want him to know. But him not do that. You think him do that? Him act like him are the man, so the fans them run with him. Because them say him are the man. I saw him act. I saw him act. Him not go like a Mobala the man. So all the fans them for run with Mobala. Eh? Eh? What kind of gimmicks thing you not talk about? I don't know talk about him not take the man fans. Like nobody a fool you. I'm go clown and you can't tell that man. To no man. You don't know the real thing man. You know the money that go all over and a big up the gully God and give him the respect when him forget man. The fans them would have know say the man that said we man. Popcorn and make the people them know that man. Tommy Lee them man, regular man. Enough more other youth them the six them make people know that man. Big up the general anyway them man. Remember vybz kartel now around and still them go sign a prison vybz kartel there, you know. And the youth still go on big platform to make people know that man. Where him developing chemistry from man. You know what I mean? So not care how him want when they say him body make on the man. See the man start sermon to them man. And him respond to all the way say I come out of him man. Remember, you know, my brother, I respect in our own thing, you know. If you don't have no respect, you know, my brother. Watch. Everything good? Yeah, man.
Everything's blessed.
Alright. Respect, man.
All the time.
Every time, my general.
Blessed all the time.
Alright, sir. Yeah, man. See what I tell you? I respect. Do it. You see what I did? So if him not sure, say him respect the man, all the fans are going to show him. Bless up. If him not sure, say him respect the man. All the fans must show that same attitude there. When I him as the young man know where them say around it. And the fans are running with him because them say him as the man now. Eh? If him not sure the fans say well then I see the man there. Or them are show him respect. Hmm? But yet still you know want to come tell man fooling it and have them look at you there run and come and get bright. You know what I mean? I feel like you think I saw it, but you're going to get no hype easily. You know what I mean? Nobody no learn listen to a song, my brother. But it's cartel not pay that attention. That not no weight. You know what I mean? I remember something you not looking at. And I know how we not getting my brother. Something we not looking at. You know what I mean? And we not give it to him. You see what I did? Because Alkaline now do no collaboration with Onion. For rising career, for rise bigger than him. Thinking I hear that. Watch and see. You see what I did? Because that's the way him overthink, you know. I think him overthink say open and the year make him push out some song with Una and him. Eh? No. World boss alone do them things, man. You see what I did? Because the world boss learn from the finest, man. The warlord himself, man. The killer, man. You know what I mean? And the man just keep the tradition going on. You see me? And see him like popcorn. And popcorn I keep the tradition going said way. You see me? Because Quadra done rise big. And joke shit. You see what I did? So Gaza Nation, once again me I make you know, you know. You go work on a trigger finger, you know. Off you know, and streaming, you know. You see what I did? And work on a trigger finger off. Pan the video, pan vybz kartel Vivo. You see what I deal with? Because we want the views them too. Them discuss about everything. You hear me? So to make sure no, when the trigger finger work off, you hear that? You see me? And remember, when you talk Gaza Diva, make sure no one 10 star feel about that. And the general, the chosen one, the people's champion. What? Yo, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General. Oh.